Question number 12 of the IT passport exam from PhilNITS. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is an appropriate description concerning NFC? The way to solve this question is to first identify the key phrase NFC. NFC, if you've also encountered this word from your readings, signify near field communication. So we have near field as one of the meanings of the letters NFC. If we look at all the choices, it seems like there is definitely this part about distance. So let's look into the letters one by one. For the first letter, the letter A, it says that the NFC provides us with a way to communicate across a short distance of approximately 10 centimeters, and the technology is used for reading and writing data on an IC card or IC tag. I think this statement holds true, but let's see also the other choices to see if we are missing something. For the next statement, for letter B, it says that it can provide communications across an area of 10 meters and is used in wireless LANs. This part about 10 meters is not really near, and this part about wireless LANs, I think we are gonna need another type of technology, and it's not gonna be the NFC for something like this. Remember that 10 meters or tens of meters it says here, so just to be sure that it's supposed to be a far distance, tens of meters. If you know what 1 meter would be, and it's about if you remember, the way to do that is from your left shoulder and then moving to your right arm, stretch to your right. That's about 1 meter. So from your left shoulder up to the tip of your right arm, stretched like that towards your fingers that are clenched in a fist, that would be about 1 meter. It's like you're doing a one of those archeries, and that's how you know what 1 meter would be. But in this case, it's saying tens of meters. Okay, so it's supposed to be much shorter than that. So this one, we know this one to be incorrect. For letter C, it's saying that it provides communications by using infrared rays and is used for data exchange on mobile phones. Infrared rays is something that is short in terms of distance, but I think that's what we call infrared, not necessarily the same technology as the NFC. In addition, it's saying that it's used with mobile phones for exchanging data. This is actually a pretty old way of transferring data. I still remember having seen this done before, but I think at the time, maybe about 20 years ago, it's mostly done to see that it actually is doable, where you have two mobile phones and you want to transfer maybe a set of data like your contacts list, or maybe one of your contacts there in your list, and instead of the person writing those data down, like the telephone number that you name on his keypad, you just transfer the contact's details using the infrared, where you put the feature phones, like a Nokia feature phones, near each other, And the top part where you have also the antenna. Of course, there are models where they didn't really show the antenna anymore. You put them together, one facing, both facing each other, and that's how you transfer the infrared. That's how you transfer the data via infrared. However, this is not definitely near field communication. This is infrared. Okay, so the last one we have is it can receive electromagnetic waves from multiple artificial satellites and is used for positioning on a car navigation system. So this one is much farther still because you're using satellites, and it's saying that you are sending electromagnetic waves. And this is interesting, I guess, for people who may have a different sort of idea what electromagnetic wave is, but it's definitely a way to transfer data across distances. So if you have a satellite, and the way to think about satellites in this case is um, it's pretty much near, if not already in outer space, and they're just well, they're moving around, and they're nearby our planet Earth. But the way to send the information is to send us the waves, the electromagnetic waves, and it's used for car navigation. So how do you know where to go? How do you know if you go to this particular road, it'll lead you to the correct destination, and so forth, right? So on and so forth. So this one is incorrect, and therefore the correct answer would be letter A, which is the one about the IC cards. If we look at my notes, it says here that NFC, near field communications, also radio technology, uses electromagnetic waves. Pretty much also what the satellites use, but at a much nearer distance. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else that. Okay, so one more thing: the IC card. It's supposed to be integrated circuit, so it's a chip card. Same one that you use for your ATM cards and all the other cards that let you, for example, use a train. And I know that in Japan, they already make use of NFC, so that even though your card is inside your wallet, you can use your card without having to take out the card from your wallet and enter the train station to get to the train that you need to ride. Okay? Alright, so we'll stop here for now, and we'll continue on.